Okay, now we are in a bonus lecture, and this is kind of a bonus because this is apart from SlideBot. We are in haikudeck.com, HAIKU deck.com, which is a competitor to SlideBot. It's the easiest way to create an amazing presentation. Just like SlideBot, we have Haiku Deck, guys. Okay. So you'll be able to use artificial intelligence technology to create an amazing presentation, and you'll be able, just like how we use SlideBot to create presentations, here also you'll be able to get a lot of templates, right? So the templates in SlideBot, but here there are a lot of templates like press release, startup pitch, and all this stuff, which is not there in SlideBot. But also you have amazing stuff here, and even 40 million Creative Commons images are free here in haikudeck.com, right? I like both, so I'm a fan of SlideBot and also Haiku Deck, and this is amazing, guys, because you'll be able, I don't have access to this, but let me just tell you what is how the templates are going to look. So if I'm here in a startup pitch template, and you just look at it, see the quality of the templates are really good, right? You're able to see a quality template in haikudeck.com, which is a startup pitch template that is looking so good, right? And you can even have your account created here for free, and then you can look at that. I'm going full screen now to show you the quality of this template. So full screen also is really good, right? Okay, and yeah, so this is what is Haiku Deck all about, HAIKUDECK, right? And you'll be getting a lot of templates that's going to make a difference in how you create the presentations without the struggle, right? There's millions of decks created already in Haiku Deck using thousands of templates, and you have to try Haiku Deck today to find out how is this a differentiator, just like how SlideBot is going to take you to the next slide, right? Okay, that is Haiku Deck, HAIKUDECK. Now we are moving on to something called Novio, KNOVIO.com. Novio is also really good, and you'll be able to create online presentations in Novio. And you have one more, this one in Novio, right? You can even add voice, right? For it'll be amazing for Udemy instructors, or say people who are using for their course platforms and all this stuff, right? They're using videos for their courses. They can create really good, because in Novio you can record a PPT presentation along with voice. So that is a feature of Novio. PPT presentations can be recorded with voice. So this is amazing for instructors and trainers who want to present online presentations and multimedia with voice, right? With voice. So so for example, a presentation running in the background, you can speak with voice. So it is also good for people who are conducting meetings, online webinars or something like that. They can use this presentation to have recorded webinars, and then they can go live with different tools, right? And then we are here inside slidebean.com. Novio, I may take another course on that later on, but this is slidebean.com. It is similar to you can upload an existing presentation and SlideBean is going to change it. Otherwise you'll be able to pick any template from here, right? So I'm here to pick a template from here, and then I can modify the template without even actually going into the design details. That is what is SlideBean all about. It is another competitor tool. So typically just wait, so it is loading, so I'll have to just give me a minute. So 1 second, hold on. I'll have to view this template, and I can click on use this template. Right now, again, this is throwing up some error with start with content templates. So just give me 1 second. Let me go to my presentations. I can choose this edit option. Okay, so I have a template here, right? So what I can do here is I don't have to play around with this one. I can just type say whatever I want in my presentation to be there. Firstlookai.com, that's my website. So it's firstlookai.com slide deck. So then I can type in AI powered say digital marketing company, just a sample. You can type in your own company, you can type in your own website details, and then head over to design. You saw that You saw that how whatever I typed in became a presentation on its own. Now that is the power of Slide Bean, and you'll be able to change the colors, right? You'll be able to change the colors, the outline, the design, right? You'll be able to do a lot of things. Now that was really good. And then you can choose whatever you want to do, right? You already have existing content in a template. You just have to modify that content, guys. Just modify that content so good that you'll be able to change it and have a design feel, a new look to it, right? It is similar to Slideboard, but this is Slideboard. You'll have to change it in the slide. Here this is some something like you'll have to change just the text in a separate format, in a separate window, and the text is automatically going to reflect in the design, which is an amazing concept altogether, right? So that is a one-of-a-kind concept that slidebean.com, bean.com is implementing. And I like all this. Look at the presentation quality, guys. It's also really good quality. And yeah, this is simple and close to something which is amazing to see, right? So slidebean.com, really good, guys. I like the entire flow of slidebean.com. Always remember, you'll be able to even embed this presentation. You'll be able to export this presentation with HTML or PDF or a PowerPoint. You'll be able to download the PPT. You'll be able to do this really good, right? And then you'll be able to even embed the presentation in your website or whatever it is, right? You'll be able to delete and duplicate a presentation, duplicate it, and you create one more presentation which is similar to that in the same look and feel, the same theme, maintaining the same layouts, and then I can log out here, right? So that is slidebean.com, and then which is really good, slidebean.com, guys. Don't forget this tool. This is really good and it can make the difference, right? I just logged on because I want to show you how it how the slidebean.com the home page is, because this is the home page. And then I want to show you Prezi.com. I keep forgetting that. So Prezi.com is also good. So Prezi, Prezi is as TED Talk Chris Anderson says, this is going to change the entire planet, right? Prezi is a presentation kind of format where you can use, where it is like going into the presentation. You'll be the presentation will zoom in, and this will create an impact and a wow factor. So I will take one more course on Prezi later on, but this is going to create a wow factor, because the presentations that you see on Prezi is going to zoom in to the content. It's going to zoom in. So the main objective of the Prezi is going to be something called a smart zoom or something like that, right? It's going to, you saw the zoom in stuff happening, right? So it's called a zoom reveal according to Prezi, I guess. So you can focus in and your story will unfold in this way. Yeah, you just saw that, right? That is what is Prezi all about, right? Zoom in to the hover in, and you can even do the free movement. You can navigate freely throughout the presentation that you are taking, right? And this will create an impact so good in the minds of the audience that they will be thinking about your presentations forever, right? So Prezi is so unique, it's so good, and that was a bonus tool for you. Coming back to SlideBean, this is the home page of SlideBean, which is simple and beautiful, right? And you can create stunning presentations, which is like one-click styling. You can share and track the presentations, and you'll be able to get the analytics, right? And these are the templates that you can use to create the presentations. Snapchat for business, Intercom pitch deck, business plan, whatever it is, right? Marketing plan template. And then you'll be able to even use the analytics, like how many people have seen your presentation, how many people have clicked on it, which slide they clicked on it, and all this stuff when you embed in your website. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this mind-blowing course so much. Okay, I'll be back with more courses very soon. I'll have to set apart a busy I'm really busy with all the schedules and all this stuff, but still I'll set apart my time for taking the really good courses for you that can create a difference. Thank you.